What if the greatest gains in investing and life, in fact, come from the least action? Sounds counterintuitive, right? Hear me out. Miyamoto Musashi once said, "The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them." He wasn't talking about winning fights. No, I think he was talking about mastering yourself so deeply that conflict never needs to happen in the first place. And the farther I travel along this beautiful and at times chaotic investing journey, the more I've realized that's exactly how the best long-term investors operate. They don't swing at every punch. No, they train, they study, they prepare their minds long before the market tests them with some violent downturn. Doing deep research on a company isn't about predicting their next move. It's training, it's mental conditioning, it's sharpening your understanding so that when volatility does hit, you don't flinch. Because here's what nobody tells you. The moment a stock you've been watching closely finally drops into your buy zone, that is when your emotions will attack you the hardest. Fear, doubt. You start questioning yourself. Well, what if I'm wrong? What if it keeps falling further? What if everyone else sees something I don't? And without training, those thoughts win. But there's another moment, an even harder one. It's when you already own the stock and it drops 20%, 30%, 50%. That's when most people break. Not because the fundamentals changed, but because their emotions did. That emotional punch lands right when logic should be clearest. And this is where Musashi's philosophy becomes practical. You don't train martial arts so you can fight every day. You train so that if a fight ever does come, your body already knows what to do. The same way you eat well to strengthen your immune system. Not because you want to get sick, but so you're ready if you ever do. The same way you exercise, not preparing for a specific battle, but building a body that won't fail you when it matters. Investing is identical. You research so deeply so that when the price finally hits the level you've been waiting so long for, even if it's a 50% decline, you don't freeze, you don't panic, you don't second guess months or even years of preparation. No, you simply act with clarity. Because the real enemy isn't the market. No, it's the internal battle, the instinct to react instead of respond, to panic instead of following your training. Musashi understood this centuries ago. Master yourself and the fight disappears. And in investing, the victory often belongs to the person who can sit still the longest, not the one who moves the fastest. Preparation gives you power, conviction gives you patience, and discipline gives you clarity when the world is screaming at you to do the opposite. So the real question is this: if the ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them, what is the ultimate aim of investing? Is it money? Freedom? Yes, but that comes from mastering the discipline you build along the way, the kind that protects you from your own worst impulses. Because once you master that, you stop fighting the market, and the market stops beating you. And that's when you win.